Good evening, guys. Welcome back to another weekly Forex and crypto analysis. Hope everyone's well. Just before I start, I want to say not been feeling too good over the weekend, so if I do sound a bit rough, just please excuse me. I'll try my best to talk loud and clear. So yeah, starting off this video, I just want to go over the Forex Factory news for next week, just to see what pairs can be majorly influenced over the course of the next 5 days. So tomorrow looks like a fairly quiet day. Mondays are fairly quiet in the markets. A lot of false moves, like breakouts, break back ins. Yeah, a lot of false moves happen on a Monday, especially London Open. But fundamentally, it does look like a quiet day. Got a bit of US dollar orange bolder news, but nothing too major to look out for. Um, Tuesday, start of the new month, start of February, we've got a lot of news. Got Aussie dollar news, red folder, CAD, USD, NZD. Really busy day, Tuesday. Yeah, this is quite a large list. I don't think I've seen one this large before. Wednesday, some more Aussie dollar news. OPEC meetings all day. US dollar news, CAD news. So again, another busy day Wednesday. Thursday, loads of GBP news, Euro news, US dollar news again in the afternoon. And obviously Friday, first Friday of the month, we've got our non-farm employment change. So yeah, fundamentally it looks like it's going to be quite a heavy week next week, especially back end of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's going to be interesting, and I'm sure there's going to be plenty of moves to be able to capitalize on. So yeah, just keep that in the back of your mind whilst trading. So let's switch over to the charts now. So yeah, starting off as always, pound US dollar. You can see it's been bearish for some time now. Majorly bearish, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We did break this level last week and we didn't come back to retest it. So um, price literally stalled here on Friday. A lot of choppiness. So for me to jump in some action on GBP USD, I want to see either a clear break below this level here with a retest and continuation down, or could potentially retest this area here, break, retest, and continuation. But again, I'll only be looking for sells due to the fact that the trend is down, and until this major structure up here has been broken, it's still in this downtrend. So yeah, nice and simple on GBP USD. Pound yen, it's a bit interesting given that pound US dollar is trending down. Pound yen actually broke some structural lows here, invalidated the downtrend short term and made higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. I think that's due to a strong US dollar news that came out last week. I think it was Wednesday, 7 o'clock. Yeah, the dollar literally just absolutely took off. So yeah, that could be why, because usually these pairs move simultaneously, but clearly the dollar was very strong last week. But yeah, the trend, intraday trend is up. Um, Again, we did close bearish just before market close, and I'll only be looking jump into this pair if we get a sort of retest, respect this higher low made, and form a double bottom pattern for continuations higher, or a break below this level for a retest, break below retest, and continuations to continue down. Obviously, if this does happen, I will be looking at pound US dollar, breaking this structure, which will give me an additional confluence that both pairs are still going to trend down. But yeah, that's my verdict on pound Japanese yen. USD CAD, again, strong US dollar last week, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Price is at this level now where if it does break above strongly and retest, I will be looking for buys to the upside. Yet again, if it does break this last higher low it made and retests it, I will be looking for sells to target some of these structural areas on the market to the left. But yeah, it's trending beautifully. It's trending up. So potentially we'll be looking for buys on this pair should this level break up here. The US dollar Swiss franc um, price pushed so bullish last week, and I'm pretty sure I got into one or two trades. One which got stopped out on this wick here was a bit frustrating. But yeah, price literally rallied up to the upside. Thursday, Friday's been a bit slow for this pair. It's just moving sideways. So boxed it off here. I'll just be waiting for a break below or a break above before I trades on USD Swiss franc. US dollar Japanese yen again rallied to the upside after this bearish trend for the majority of this month. We have broken like structural highs here, given the US dollar strength, and now price looks like racing. So could retrace all the way back down to some of these areas in the market or retest. So with that in mind, 1 hour, I will be looking to target some of these lows if price does break this structure here that is made on the 1 hour, something like. But should this level hold, I will be buying this pair. Situations upside. So yeah, that's my verdict on US dollar Japanese. Euro Japanese yen, a hot mess. Prices ranging side to side. Price ranges. Stay out and wait for clear direction, clear break above or below. Then continuations direction. But yeah, it could break out of this low here, retesting down, but and it's a bit messy. So given it's Monday tomorrow, it could have a little fake out down here, and then a rally back up to some levels here on the market. For that reason, I'm gonna wait for structure on this pair. Euro US dollar again, push majorly bearish. I'm pretty sure I called it from some of these levels when I recorded the last video. Yeah, yeah, I was expecting this pair to come down, but yeah, I'll only be looking for sells next week, given bearish this structure is. So I will be looking for breaks of these lows situations. That confirmation. Go to the 1 hour. Again, it's starting to be a bit messy. We had this major bullish candle on the Friday. However, it wasn't a strong enough break of these levels. Aren't really strong wanting to buy this pair yet. The fact that the higher time frame still super bearish. Um, Nevertheless, it could retrace back to some of these here for a retest. But yeah, I will be looking for sales on this. Euro GBP moved bearish last week. Some beautiful trading opportunities got in around these highs here. Then again, a break of this level here. Quick rejection got in here, fell back down. Now, what's interesting now is prices respecting this level in the market where it could react off and bring back up to the upside. So my plan for this pair next week, if this level holds, should we break above sort of this level here, momentum to the upside, I will be buys on this pair. CAD JPY, price is a bit messy, sideways here. But again, price is respecting the support level here. So should we gain the momentum, close bullish, we'll be looking for buys. Here, double bottom pattern here, and enough range to the upside. But yeah, should this level break, I will be looking for sells, potentially areas here. But again, just being patient and if price can respect these levels. Similar sort of situation with had Swiss franc. Price was trading up last week. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is the last high market. Price is approaching it, but price does respect this higher low and gives me that double bottom. I will be looking for buys back up to the upside like this. However, like I said with CAD JPY, break this level and retest. I will be looking for sales the downside. We're keeping it super simple. CAD pairs. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, majorly bearish. D is just hardly retracing. One candle with no volume, literally doji candle, doji candle. Got a little level here, but yeah, for me to buy this, I will need some sort of retracement. We'll be using this level, but it looks a hot mess to me now. Really, I do want to see that retracement for a continuation sell. Dollar Japanese yen, broken this major key level market here. So we tapped into it. Next candle broke through it. Now waiting for that retest, a bigger wick rejection. Price attempted it, but given the low volume of Friday evening, it might do that at the start of market open tonight or tomorrow morning. Could potentially give me that nice situations down to the downside. So that's my plan for Aussie dollar Japanese yen. Aussie dollar US dollar again, super bearish. Price barely retracing. So I will be looking for sales on this pair. But first I will be looking for exhaustion, maybe a break and retest this level before continuation back down to make a lower low. Moving on to crypto now, XRP. Look what this is doing. It's starting to slow down a bit given last week's move. But I have got this sort of area marked out here where price could sort of hold as support, buys back up to the upside, but I will not be comfortable buying this until I start to see a weekly close bullish. But looking promising. It might retrace, make a lower high before absolutely destroying 50% level. But for the time being, I'm just staying out, being patient, and monitoring what this pairs, or what XRP is doing. Same situation with Bitcoin. No price smashed through this 39,650 level last week. This week's candle is going to close bullish. However, it is an indecisive candle. So next week's candle just could flip bearish again and tap into this level. See, it's happened many times where we've been in a push phase, had one bullish candle, boom, we come down again here. Nice doji candle, boom, crushed the support. Doji candle this week, boom, back into this key level here. So just another one to keep an eye out on. Looking on the daily as well, you can see structural higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But this could just simply be an exhaustion trend before continuation back into the level. So yeah, that's my analysis for this. Hopefully loads of opportunities to trade on, given the fundamentals also. There's loads of news on the back end of the week, many currencies. Yeah, will the dollar continue strong this week? There will be some beautiful moves. Pairs like GBP USD, CAD USD. But yeah, just be patient, trade safe. I wish everyone all the best this week. Yeah, I'll catch you next week for the next